Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Golf Hotel Review Series. So now we are here in Forest City in Johor Bahru. This place is a little bit distance from the town, so that's why we decided to stay here for a night. And actually the hotel here is really nice. We actually bought a package with the golf, it's a golf package for us, so we get to play 18 holes and also we get to stay one night here in the hotel. So it's actually quite worth it for the things that they have. And let me show you the room first, okay? So just now, it was a door that Vincent came in.
So when you come in, because it's a golf resort, you can actually place your bag here together with you in the room as well. Alright, so this is the entrance on the left and we'll place directly here. So if you want to play golf anytime, you can just bring it out together with you.
And then when you walk across the door, so the right hand side here is actually the toilet. And actually the bathroom is really good. I didn't expect they actually have a bathtub. So it's pretty spacious. They have a bathtub and then it's a single vanity and also a normal shower room. But everything is really well maintained and it's very clean as well. The bathroom, I would say it is brightly lit, so you don't have to be worried that they are actually very dark, even though the furniture they're using is actually dark wood color, but it doesn't really affect that.
So right here they do provide a toothbrush and some amenity kit, right? And it's printed with their Forest City logo as well, which is pretty nice. So as you can see, it's really bright in the bathroom because on the left hand side over here, they have a glass, right, which allow natural sunlight to comes into the bathroom as well. Especially if you're a selfie lover, definitely a good place for you to take some selfies over here. So this is the shower place, right? Very unique kind of shape over here to save the space, but unfortunately they don't have a rain shower. So they only have a normal shower, which is fine, I guess.
Okay, so let's move on with the room tour. So on your left, actually you have a wardrobe here. When you open, they actually have bathrobe, okay, and they have iron ready for you. Don't have to order when you actually need it. Safety box, of course. Some slippers for the room. And yes, this is our room. The room is really spacious and I'm really quite surprised with the price that we are getting. This is really worth it, and room is brightly lit and the contemporary design is really nice and you just feel very comfortable when you come in.
So as you can see, the design overall in this room, the ceiling is really tall, right? So I believe it's about 5 meters tall, which is quite spacious. It gives you the big space kind of feel, right? And you can see the design of the bed, it's quite nice over here, and the lighting is quite nice. So the design here, it reminds me a little bit of Anantara Desaru, but of course Anantara Desaru have more wooden elements in the room. So but the color matching over here, the color combination is quite similar to Anantara. Look at this, because it's a golf resort, they have a lot of golf patterns or design in the room as well. This is actually the bedside lamp. Look at this printings on the lamp. It's really nice. And here you got a piece of art. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened over here with our bed. Maybe that is something that can improve, or that they should clean it up. I think they try, but they should cover it up with, I don't know, to change it or to replace it, to make it more pleasant.
Okay, so actually I find the best thing in this room is this quote by Jack Nicklaus. It's something for you to ponder, for you to think. As golfer, this game, it's not easy to play golf, but it's something that you get really addicted to it once you really wanted to hit it well, hit the clubs and everything. So yes, this is something I'll take back from the room itself.
Here you got a smart TV as well, really nice and huge TV for you to relax after your golf in the morning. And right here we have the kettle, right? Kettle is over this side, and cups. They don't have coffee machine, unfortunately. And here is the fridge, and it's empty as well, so I'm not gonna show you, right? So what I really like the most in this room is actually this space over here. I really like the table, the marble table over here, right, which really looks luxury. Usually if you go to some 5-star resorts, they only provide you this table. This is the view from our room. You get the huge garden over here. I believe this is for a wedding because they have a platform over there for ceremony. And that's the golf course we were playing this morning. That's the Legacy golf course. And on the other side over there, that's the other part of the classic golf course, right? So we are staying at the 5th floor, and I really like the wines, you know, the greens that really falling from the balcony, which really looks abandoned kind of city. That's why they call it Forest City.
And one thing I love about this room is that even though this is only a deluxe room, they have a really spacious balcony here that can actually fit quite a lot of people. They only provided one chair, unfortunately. But I would say the view is 100%. Okay, just wake up. The golf course view is very serene. But of course, it's not as quiet as it is because sometimes people hit the clubs, right? But that's the sound that every golfer likes, so that doesn't matter. I would say the view is really, really nice. And if you guys come here for a golf trip, consider staying here for a night because it will be a bit tiring for you to even go back to Johor city or even go back to Singapore. So, and the prices are really affordable as well.
This balcony is also really nice because what you can do after your golf in the morning is basically, you know, relax here, have a cup of coffee and do some readings, you know, just relax your mind, do nothing, and just enjoy the view from the balcony, right? The greeneries, it's really fantastic and amazing over here. So beside this room, the package that we bought is also included breakfast, which is really nice. And we passed by the breakfast area earlier. It was fantastic, amazing view because it's actually overlooking the pool area. So right now we're gonna show you the pool area and some of the other facilities around the resorts. Even though you are not playing 18 holes over here, but you are a golfer or you want to try out golf, you know, they also have the driving range, which is free to access. They have the practice green, which is free to access. So if you are staying here, you can also make a short walk, actually just less than 5 minutes walk from the resort itself to the driving range. They also have free shuttles, free buggy to fetch you there. You can also buy 100 balls just to experience it. They have clubs provided, so do consider, you know, if you really want to experience something different, right? So if you have been to Johor Bahru many times and you want to try out something new, you know, this is something that you can think about it. Guys, that's all for our video for this episode in Forest City Resorts. If you like our video, do remember to click like and share down below, and even follow our Instagram because from there you will get our latest travel journey, because we nowadays we are kind of busy, you know, really hard to catch up to edit the videos and uploading the video, so that might be some delays with the latest video coming on. So if you want to know what's our next trips, where are we going next, you know, do follow our Instagram and we will definitely share more stories over there. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys.